Let's listen in. Flight
Hold your
Director
breath.
Ty Huntington back in
Leo
the seat.
steady.
Take us through the final seconds.
T minus 29 seconds.
Yeah. Quiet. Leo steady.
Ten,
Mum,
nine,
Mum.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Yeah. There it goes. Like a middle finger to gravity. Leo steady.
Go Starship. Thanks for all the historic flights, Madeline.
Rocket Ollie. Where's the Rocket Ollie?
Eagle staging downrange. Booster Raptor chamber pressure nominal. Booster and ship nominal power and telemetry.
All right, we are about 45 seconds into flight. We're still getting the rattle here at Star Factory. We are seeing 33 out of 33 Raptor engines lit on Super Heavy as it arcs across the Gulf. Coming up next on Max Q.
Max
All right,
Q.
Oh, this is what makes me dizzy.
So at this point,
Yeah,
we
it's making me
passed
anxious
through
too.
that period of maximum aerodynamic pressure. The next thing we're looking forward to is going to be hot staging. So we've got 33 out of 33 Raptor. Super Heavy makes its way uphill. Hot staging is going to be coming up in just a little over a minute. At that point, we're going to see all but 3 of those Raptor engines on Super Heavy shut down. Our version of MECO. Most engines cut off instead of main engine. And then after that, we're going to release the clamps that are currently holding Starship to that hot stage adapter. It's then going to ignite its 6 Raptor engines to push it away from Super Heavy and then start making its flight uphill. So in about 30 seconds, we're going to see the engines start to shut down on Super Heavy. You'll see them kind of shut off in separate banks until we've just got those 3 center engines that never stop running for this process, and then looking for 6 ship Raptors. All right. MECO coming up in about 10 seconds.
Separation. Spec burn startup.
All right, successful hot staging maneuver. So we've got 12 of the 13 engines lit back up on booster, so it's doing its boost back. Real excitingly though, we've got 6 out of 6 Raptors lit on ship there, so it's now